Hello everybody, my name is Emma. I'm participant MMM Global from Indonesia. On 20 October I pay her $1,000 and on 23 October I pay her $3,000 and on 2 November I pay her $2,000 and on 28 November I pay her $1,000 and on 14 December I pay her $1,000. Total pay her $8,000 and now on 9 February I gave her the profit. I gave her $1,270 and MMM really pays. Thank you so much MMM Global. Thank you so much Mr. Mafrodi for the amazing program, and thank you so much all participants MMM around the world. MMM very helpful. I'm and family very happy. Thank you so much.